Hello dear audience, it's Shona here. This evening I've got something a little bit different for you to share with you, and that is something I used to play at primary school, the treble recorder. So I'm going to try and play a Maori song called Pakare Kare for you this evening. We'll see how it goes.